All right, let's dive into one of the biggest mysteries in the entire universe. We're going on a hunt for something that literally shapes everything around us. But here's the catch, it's completely invisible. Ready? Let's go. So, let's start with a big question. Just picture our galaxy, the Milky Way, right? You've got this incredible swirling spiral with billions and billions of stars, all spinning like crazy. But have you ever stopped to think, wait a minute, what's stopping all those stars from just flying off into space? I mean, what's holding that whole thing together? Well, it turns out scientists have a nickname for whatever's doing that job. They call it the universe's invisible glue. And it's not just a clever name. It's this powerful, totally unseen force that is absolutely crucial for everything. Okay, so this invisible glue, it has an actual name, and that name is dark matter. So you know what? Let's play detective for a bit. Our mission is to identify this cosmic suspect. First question, what is it? The simplest way to think about it is this. Dark matter is a totally invisible substance out there in space. I mean, we can't see it, we can't touch it, none of our instruments can pick it up. It's basically a cosmic ghost. And here's why it's so ghostly. It all comes down to light. Think about normal matter, the stuff we're made of. Stars shine, planets reflect light, even your own hand reflects light. That's how we see things. But dark matter, it does none of that. It doesn't shine, it doesn't reflect, it doesn't even cast a shadow. It's just dark. And that's exactly why we call it that. Okay, so if this stuff is completely invisible, then the big question is, how on earth do we even know it's real? And that brings us to the next part of our investigation, the strange case of the spinning galaxies. We just have to look for the clues it leaves behind. And really, that's the whole puzzle, isn't it? I mean, how do you prove something is there when its whole deal is that you can't detect it? It seems impossible. Well, the answer is actually something we're all very familiar with, gravity. We can't see dark matter, no, but we can definitely feel its pull. We can see its gravitational effects on everything else in the universe. So here's how the detective work went down. Astronomers were looking at galaxies, and they saw something weird. The stars way out on the edges were spinning way too fast. I mean, so fast that the gravity from all the visible stuff, the stars, the gas, everything we could see, it just wasn't enough to hold on to them. They should have been flung out into the void. The only possible explanation? There had to be a ton of extra, invisible stuff providing all that extra gravity. And that was the smoking gun. That was dark matter. So we've established it's the gravitational glue holding galaxies together. But that just leads to another question. Exactly how much of this stuff are we talking about? How much glue is there? And trust me, the answer is going to blow your mind. Get this, for every chunk of normal matter, and I mean everything, every star, every planet, every person, there are 5 chunks of dark matter. So this stuff isn't some rare, weird thing hiding in the corners of the universe. It's literally the most common type of matter out there, by a lot. Let's actually put that in perspective. Take a look at the makeup of our entire universe. You see that tiny little slice? That's just 5%. That's everything. It's you, me, the Earth, the sun, all the stars we can see. The other 95%, that's dark matter and its even stranger partner, dark energy. Kind of humbling, right? What we call normal is actually just a tiny exception to the rule. And figuring this out is so important because this invisible glue, it isn't just some weird cosmic trivia. It's pretty much the foundation that our entire universe is built on. Think about it. Without dark matter, that invisible glue, galaxies like ours probably wouldn't have even formed. The stars, the planets, and yeah, even us, we all exist because we're sitting on top of this massive, invisible scaffold of dark matter. So let's just nail this down. The big takeaway here is that dark matter is real. It's not some wild guess. The evidence for its gravity is everywhere. It's the invisible structure that the universe is built on, and even though we can't see it, we can absolutely feel it through its gravity. And that leaves us with a pretty wild thought to end on, right? We've just learned that we can only see a tiny fraction of what's actually out there. It really makes you wonder, if 95% of our universe is dark and hidden from us, what else are we missing? What other huge secrets is the cosmos still keeping?
subscribe.